Let us see the next automation. What we are going to do in this automation is to rename the Excel files. So what we are going to do now is we are going to instruct ChatGPT to write a Python code to rename the 12 Excel files which is having a month name by adding a prefix to it. Okay, and this month's files have a data of electronic goods sales which are fast moving consumer goods. So we are going to add the prefix FMCG sales to the file names and rename the files. So let's write the prompt. Write a Python code to rename all the 12 Excel files in the current folder, because these files are already in the same folder. So we are going to write in the current folder named January, February till December by adding the word FMCG sales, okay, before each file name. So the prompt is write a Python code to rename all the 12 Excel files in the current folder named January, February till December by adding the word FMCG sales before each file name. Just give the prompt to the ChatGPT. See, okay, the Python code is generated, and let's copy the code and let's go back to the IDE and let's create a new file. As this is a file rename task, we will give the name as file underscore rename.py, and let's copy the code and let's, okay, the code is executed successfully. Let's go back to the folder and see the file names. Okay, all the file names have been renamed. You can see April, the prefix FMCG sales has been added. Likewise, all the 12 files, the file names have been renamed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Other file names remain the same. Only the file names with the month name has been renamed. And with this, we come to the end of the topic Excel automation using ChatGPT. I hope all the automation tasks which we have done is clear. Thank you.